Since we got big deals going on for winches at Harbor Freight, 40% off, we're going to do an upgrade. I'm going to go for a 3500, even though we probably don't need it, but why not get it for the same price? Yeah, the old Honda will appreciate it, you know. Then a wrecking ball right here, fun stuff. That's why it's good to keep the old box. Really wasn't much wrong with it, but I had a warranty for 2 years, so if I can get the 3500 for the same price, why not? 40% off, comes down to pretty much this price. So I'm just gonna swap it out because I have a warranty on it for 2 years. I've only had it for a year or so. So why not get a new one for a couple bucks more? That's what's gonna happen today. Yep, there it is. Come with the cool little handlebar, switch, 2 remotes. Not bad. The only difference was $5. Go from a 2500 to a 3500. Obviously, I got the 2-year warranty because why not? You can get a free one in 2 years if you want to. Or if anything happens, whatever. But, hey, what the heck, let's get into it. Same size as the other one, I think. And so it should mount pretty much the same way. Well, I already put some scars on it. Yeah. Remote. This one comes with a plate. The other one didn't. I had to buy that one. I had to buy the old one right there. A little different than the other one. Don't recognize what that is, but we'll check it out. Oh, it might be for the other remote. Lots of new stuff with this one. I'll take it all out real quick. Got a bar, bolts, put it all right there. This cool thing for more horsepower, I guess. This is extra thick, this one, compared to the old one. A lot of better stuff on this one. A lot of better. Got me a new shiny hook. It's a cool little kit. Gotta read a little bit, I guess. Figure out all of it. Alrighty. So a lot more wires compared to the 2,500 pound winch, but we'll kind of get it all figured out. Yellow, yellow, blue, blue, black, red. That's the diagram. Not too bad. Just a little bit of homework, but not too bad. Alrighty, so I put the new roller on. It's all mounted. A lot heavier. Looks pretty good, but instead of taking everything off, I kind of just use the same plate. They all bolt up the same. So pretty much all I gotta do is put it on the wheeler, close, and run it to the battery. It should be ready to go. Alright, we got this thing all mounted up. It's all in there. It's fun to try to put that rack on by yourself. Now I just have to run those wires, the blue and yellow. I'll probably run it up through here. Mount it all right here in this section. All right here. But yeah, to do all these little bolts up here, then this, and a couple up on top. It's all fun trying to push and line everything up. But she's in. I didn't know she was gonna fit. She was a little bit bigger, but we made it work. Ugh. So now we just got a wire. Probably run through here, go down underneath the tank to the battery. Using new rollers. But yep. So that's what we got for a result. It's all in, hooked. You can't see it, but it's alright. It's just a quick spot that they have. So it's a lot quieter than my other one. But the wire is so thick, it's hard to get underneath my seat without pinching it too much. So, but I'll try to figure something out anyways. But yeah, it came with this part where it goes on the handle. Somewhere right there, I can mount it anywhere, whatever. Just zip tied that, just to kind of keep that there. Gotta figure out this other wiring, but whatever. But it also came with another handle also, so I don't know, we'll see. But that's pretty much it. Good little rig. Only $5 more, hey, what the heck. swap it out. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and God bless.